To fit the disposable paper or SMS dust bags to the machine, follow these steps. Unclip the latches, remove the lid and the filter liner. Using the disposable sealed dust bag, push the dust bag securely over the inlet of the machine. Replace the filter liner and lid, securing into place by locking the latches down. Fit the filter liner between the tank and the lid by dropping it into the vacuum before replacing the lid and securing it into place. Make sure the filter liner is removed when wet vacuuming. To clean or replace the foam filter cover, remove the lid, turning it upside down so the motor unit points upwards. Remove the filter cage by twisting it anti-clockwise to release. Remove the foam filter cover by peeling it away from the float cage. Once the foam filter cover is clean or replaced, put the cage back and secure into place by twisting it in a clockwise direction until they lock. HydroPro's HEPA-rated filters are available as optional add-ons for dry use only. Remove the filter cage by grasping the two plastic tabs and twisting it anti-clockwise to release. Remove the foam filter cover by peeling it away from the float cage. Unscrew the 4 screws holding the float cage to the lid, remove and set float mechanism aside before screwing the filter cage back onto the lid. Place the HEPA-rated filter over the float cage and secure it with the fastening screw through the bottom of the HEPA-rated filter. Complete the installation by replacing the filter cage and lock by grasping the 2 plastic tabs and twisting it clockwise. To remove or attach floor tool inserts, slide out the end panels on the floor tool to release and push the brush or squeegee insert underneath. It should slot into place. Then, slide the end panels back into position before use.